Hi, here's the top 5 rainwater harvesting tips. Firstly, talk to us. We can advise and guide you as to the correct system or systems for your project. Secondly, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate the design or overthink it. Rainwater harvesting itself is a simple technology, so keep it simple. Thirdly, plan it into your design if it's not too late. That way you can maximize the water collection and we can provide you with costs for your budget. The fourth tip is look at the type of systems. Ideally, install a shallow dig tank. They're quicker and easier to install and far more groundwater stable. And install RAS approved systems. RAS stands for Water Regulation Advisory Scheme, and it just confirms that what you're installing meets all of the water regulations. And the good news is all of our systems do. They've gone through the full RAS accreditation process. And lastly, but importantly, talk to us. I know I'm repeating myself, and my colleagues will say it's because I'm old and losing it. However, we do have a wealth of experience and a support team. So pass our details on to your builder, your plumber, and let us support you during, before, and after the installation. So why not? Give us a call.